In this demo, we will have a look at WBS elements as alternative account assignment objects. We will post to a WBS element, check the settlement rule, and perform the settlement. Let's start with posting to a WBS element. To do the posting, I choose the tile Post General Journal Entries in the General Ledger tile group. On this page, I type the current date and post some travel costs of €1,000. I expand the first line and enter the text code and the name of the WBS element by using my group number. I choose Post. Now you see the document created through the posting. Having done the posting, I go back to the Fiori Launchpad. Now I'd like to display the costs in a report. For this purpose, I go to the tile Projects Actuals. On this page, I customize my report by typing the fiscal period in which the posting was done and the name of the project. I choose Go. Now you see that the travel costs of €1,000 are posted to the project. You can also see that the actual costs are carried by the WBS element. From this point, I'd like to display the line items created in the General Ledger. I click on the amount, choose Navigate to, and open the report. To display the line item, I right-click on the line and choose Expand All. Now you see the original posting with the document number created and the amount posted. Let's go back to Fiori Launchpad to continue with the next step. Before settling the WBS element, I'd like to display the settlement rule. I choose the tile Display WBS element and enter the name of the WBS element using my group number. I choose the WBS element button and then go to the settlement rule. This page shows how the travel costs will be settled. The support cost center is the receiver of the settlement. What will be settled is 100% of the costs which are posted to the WBS element. Now let's go back to the Fiori Launchpad and perform the settlement. I choose the tile Settle Project and specify the settlement run. The name of the WBS element, which is going to be settled, is already entered by the system. I enter the current period and I deselect the Test Run checkbox. This ensures that the settlement is performed in a productive run. Now I choose the Execute button. You see that the settlement is performed without any errors. I choose Next List Level to display the settlement in detail. On this page, we see that the sender is settled. The receiver of the settlement is the support cost center, which is charged with the travel costs. After having performed the settlement, I go back to the Fiori Launchpad to check the project costs again. I choose the tile Projects Actuals and filter the report as done before. Now you see that the WBS element is settled. It doesn't carry any actual data anymore. To finish this demo, I go back to the Fiori Launchpad.